Welcome back, explorers, to Reaby, the Learning Lab. Today at Shell Market, we're solving real-world multiplication and division problems. Before we get started, here's what we're learning today. Solving word problems, solving multiplication problems, solving division problems, and choosing the right strategy. The story helps us decide when to multiply and when to divide. Here's how we solve word problems. Read carefully, understand the situation, decide multiply or divide, and solve step by step. So we don't rush, we think first. Let's try one. There are 4 groups of 5 shells. How many shells are there? Groups of 5. That's multiplication. 4 times 5 equals 20. Now this one, 12 shells are shared equally among 3 friends. How many does each get? That's sharing. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Ask yourself, are we finding the total from equal groups? Then we multiply. Are we sharing equally or finding how many are in each group? Then we divide. Let's try a bigger one. There are 3 groups of 4 shells. Then all the shells are shared into 2 equal groups. How many shells are in each group? Step 1. Multiply. 3 times 4 equals 12. Step 2. Divide. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Answer, 6 shells in each group. Let's sing the word problem song.
Read it slow, don't rush through. Find what math you need to do. Read it slow, don't rush through. Find what math you need to do. Groups are sharing, that's the key. Multiply or divide, now you'll see.
Read, think, choose, solve. Your turn, explorers. Challenge 1. There are 5 groups of 3 shells. How many shells are there altogether? Correct, 15. Challenge 2. 20 shells are shared equally among 4 friends. How many shells does each friend get? Correct, 5. Challenge 3. There are 2 groups of 6 shells, then all the shells are shared into 3 equal groups. How many shells are in each group? Let's solve this step by step. First, there are 2 groups of 6 shells. That means we multiply to find the total. 2 times 6 equals 12. So there are 12 shells altogether. Now the 12 shells are shared into 3 equal groups. That means we divide. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So each group gets 4 shells. So the answer is 4 shells in each group. Great problem solving! Let's review what we learned today. You solved word problems. You solved multiplication problems. You solved division problems. And you chose the right strategy. Great job completing all of the learning objectives. For solving word problems, you earned the Math Problem Solver badge. Amazing work! Next time, we explore fractions. See you in Lesson 13. Bye, explorers!